high class. We get the extra exercise for a spreadsheet. As sales manager at ABC company, you need to analyze monthly sales data to advise top management. To increase a feature monthly sale. Set data as below. Okay, now you need copy for this data to the Excel. Okay, paste. And then for the first thing, you need to find the total of sale. Total CRM. So just using the simple formula auto sum, so you can get automatically. Okay guys, how we can get the RM in front the money or currency figure? So that is easy. You just go to double click or right click and then go the format cell and then go to currency and then change to RM. Okay, so you get the RM in front the money. So now you can know the total of a sale for every product. Okay, you get the total. So now which one is high sale, and then lowest sale, average sale. So you know high high sale is came from which one high sale, this one for the cosmetic. So for the cosmetic, low sale from clothes. And then how many average? So we can using the formula. Wait, oh my god, I have difficult to control. Okay, right, so just equal and then average automatically pop up on this screen. Single click and then define the average area. Alright, and then press to enter. So the average of sale for the 5 months is 6,566.67. So there is an average sale. Now we want to generate a chart, bar chart, and then we want to do analyze. Just easy. We now putting out the product sale, and then we find the food. Okay, we figure out and then from here we just copy it. So copy the same figure, you can get it. Okay, now product sale, highlight, look at for my step, highlight and then insert, and then go recommend a chart. So from this we can select which one is suitable for our analyze. So I just want to pick up the bar. So now we have a bar chart. So that is very easy to look at the information we get from this figure. Alright, but this bar chart is a very it's not complete yet because don't have any title, legend, horizontal and vertical label. We don't have it. So now how we can edit is very simple. Just click that table that chart and then add chart element. So you can find the title above atau center above chart. So just put it your title, sales of product sale for Jan until May 2020. Okay, now for the horizontal, so find the title horizontal. Okay, this thing is a product name, product. Okay, and then the other side is vertical. This one, if you do not put the label, we don't know what is a figure is about. So this is a product sale. Sale value, RM. Okay. Okay, look at which product is higher sales. So this cosmetic have a 123,500 is very high, but the problem here is we cannot exactly see the figure. So now just easy, you just click here and then put it to label. Okay, baca label. Okay, center based on it. Okay, you can put it everywhere you want to. So the other way is right click and then add data label. So now automatically the figure for every bar you can see exactly. So now you can change the color. So that is on your fabric actually. Okay, so that's all. How to answer for the question, you need to analyze and create a few elements you need to analyze. Okay, this one is very important. All right, so that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.